Hi everyone, if you're watching this, your Ugoos AM9 Pro is likely stuck on the boot screen or acting unstable. Don't worry, you haven't lost your device yet. However, there is a major detail you need to know before you start. The 2026 flagship revision of the AM9 Pro is powered by the Amlogic S905X5-J chipset. This is a licensed SoC, meaning it carries specific hardware keys for Dolby Vision and Widevine L1. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to safely unbrick your device and install the official firmware without losing those premium features. Before we jump in, let's look at the checklist. First, you must use the Amlogic USB Burning Tool version 3.2.0 or newer. Older versions will not recognize the S905X5-J architecture. Second, you need a high-quality USB-A to USB-A male-to-male cable. And most importantly, ensure your firmware image is specifically for the J variant. Flashing a standard S905X5 file will permanently disable your Dolby Vision capabilities. The process is straightforward, but requires precision. Start by launching the USB Burning Tool on your PC as an administrator. Import your firmware image and wait for it to verify. Pro tip, make sure the Erase Flash setting is set to normal erase. Selecting Force Erase All is the fastest way to wipe your DRM licenses, which we definitely want to avoid. Once you click Start, hold the recovery button hidden inside the AV jack of your Ugoos. While holding it, connect the USB cable to the blue USB 3.0 port. This is the OTG port for this model. If your PC doesn't see the device, the issue is almost always the World Cup device drivers. Make sure they are correctly showing up in your Windows Device Manager. If you see a searching device error for more than 30 seconds, try a different USB port on your motherboard. Avoid using front panel USB hubs as they often lack the power needed for a stable handshake. Once the progress bar turns green and says burning successful, you're good to go. Disconnect the cable and let the device perform its first boot, which can take up to 5 minutes. I have put together a detailed article on Tech Review Guide that includes all the official download links for the firmware and the specific version of the burning tool. Just search for Tech Review Guide Ugoos AM9 Pro on Google to find the full step-by-step guide and the troubleshooting FAQ. If this video helped you save your device, please give us a like and subscribe for more tech deep dives. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tech guide.